Good morning, guys. Today is a peaceful Saturday and it's cloudy now and it's gonna rain from around 3 o'clock. So I think I'm gonna be easy today. Now it's almost 11 o'clock and about in half an hour, me and my friend from New York, me and my friend who lives in New York, she's Japanese, we're gonna do like Skype chat. So I'm so excited because I haven't seen her like almost 1 year and a half. So what's this position? Hi. Good morning, guys. Today it's 11 o'clock Sunday, August 10th. And it's very hard rain. I was gonna go out, but I can't right now. Okay, someone comment me to share my hair care routine and in the product I use. I thought, why not share now, because it's rainy, I can't do anything, so why not. And first of all, in this season, I know it's bad, but I wash my hair twice a day, every night and every morning, because I go to walk with my dog in the morning and I like sweating like crazy, so I wanted to take shower again. And at night, I sweat during the day, so I feel disgusting, so I take shower. So anyways, so in the morning, this is like towel. I just used my towel and dry it, and after that I'm gonna use this product at the moment. This is it says Kiragami, and yeah, this is the product. Do you know this? I don't know. This size, look at my hand, it's really tiny, and it's like 1,500 yen, which is around $15, and I don't think it's a lot because it lasts like, I don't know, over 6 months already, so it's almost gone, but it's not. So it's not, I don't think it's that expensive. And I got this product at hair salon. I love using hair product. When it comes to hair product, I love using the product in the hair salon because they have better quality and good product. But everybody's hair is different. Some people hair is just fine by using like drugstore product, so it really depends. I don't think it's about the I don't think like expensive products are better. It's just what you have to really try a lot of things and find the one suit you the best. So anyways, and I just put like a little bit of amount, like a pea size amount, and take my hands and just blend it to your hair like this. I don't suggest to use on a crown area because it tends to be oily. So yeah, just massage your hair and try to be like evenly distribute to your hair. And after that, I'm gonna just blow dry my hair and just use straightening iron and just straighten my hair. Now I just blow dry my hair and I have to comb through my hair, make sure no tangles, and just randomly use your straightening iron and just randomly straighten your hair like this. Really simple and really easy. And about your bangs too. Now I have straight hair, but my hair is not super straight. I have some waves in my hair, so since I have like pretty straight hair, it's easy for me to straighten my hair. But if you have like really strong like wavy hairs, it might be difficult to straighten. And yes, that's it. It's really fast and easy and looks really nice and clean and nice, I think. I love straight hair. So if you like, if you're going out and if you don't know what to do your hair, like you have no clue, then I recommend this like straight hair thing because you don't have to think and it's so easy. I think the key is to use the hair product that suit you the best. And a lot of people tell me I have pretty hair, and thank you so much. I don't think I have like naturally pretty hair. I just have to work on it when I want to look pretty. So yeah, so that's it. I hope it helps you. Okay, I got a new book recently and I haven't read it, and I guess I am going to read it today. It's a Haruki Murakami new book, 女のいない男たち. That means men who don't have women. Yeah. I'm so excited. I was gonna go to the cafe, but I don't know. I decided to take a nap because I guess I was tired. And now I'm hungry, so I decided to make oyakodon. So let me show you. Come on. Okay, this is a like soy sauce base kind of soup, and right now I am cooking my onions, sliced onion, and next I add some chicken and trying to cook a little bit. You shouldn't do like overcook because that way chicken gets really I don't know, hard, and I want my chicken to be really nice and soft, so do not overcook. And I hope you can see it. I add some eggs and cook for, I don't know, about 30 seconds and it's done. I just want to eat the French fries, so I decided to go to the McDonald's now. So, you wanna go, Pootie? You wanna go with me? Wanna see Pootie? She is over there. She loves being on couch. Maybe she feels protected. She does. I think not a lot of people go out today because it's typhoon and you know, everybody's gonna stay at home. And there's an apartment like beside me, and I can see they're like relaxing at the living room. I wonder why they don't like do the curtain. I don't know. I can see you. Well, anyways. And here's a college library. They are stunning. Impressive. Oh no, it started to rain. I was stupid. I shouldn't have going out because it started to rain suddenly. Look at my hair. Look at my clothes. Well, oh, the rain was worth it. I am enjoying French fries, soda, and I'm gonna have what? I don't know. I really don't go to McDonald's often, so I don't know, but this is what I got and looks good. And I'm gonna enjoy lazy, rainy French fry day with fruity. Hi, say hi. こんにちは。こんにちは。Thank you. Summer break start from today until 17th. Coral shirt and covers my passion. I mean,
眉がこうなのにまっすぐな形。